everybody, Becca here from Empowering Pumps and Equipment. I am here with Jason Putnam from InproSeal. And Jason, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Well, hello, Becca. Thanks for having me. My name is Jason Putnam, and I'm the marketing specialist for InproSeal. I have been with InproSeal for over 14 years, and I'm really excited to be here.
Thank you for being here, Jason. So why don't you tell me, how do you support the oil and gas and the petrochemical industry?
So we offer proven reliability solutions that keep rotating equipment running, be it permanent bearing protection on your pumps, motors, gearboxes, pillow blocks, and other rotating equipment, or controlling steam leakage on your process steam turbines. InproSeal products alleviate unscheduled equipment downtime, which means significantly lower maintenance costs, and most importantly, it means keeping production running on time and on schedule.
So do you have anything that is new or exciting that people can get prepared for?
Yeah, absolutely. And thanks for asking me that. So we launched the InproSeal Marketplace earlier this year. And InproSeal Marketplace is our online ordering system that allows for obviously online ordering, but it does so much more than that. It allows for you to manage your account with InproSeal. So you can track shipping, you can track you can manage your users, you can just manage your company profile and all of that within one single site. So it just makes it just another way that makes it easier to do business with us and allows you to get exactly what you need when you need it. So yeah, we're really excited about that, and the initial adoption has been fantastic, and you know, we look forward to people signing up and utilizing that new system.
So why did you decide to exhibit at TPS?
So InproSeal's actually exhibited at TPS for well over 20 years. As I stated, I've been with InproSeal for 14 years, and we've had a booth at every TPS show since I've been here. And the reason we do it is number one, it gives us a great opportunity to continue to build those relationships with our pump OEM partners. Sometimes it's challenging to get in front of them. You know, everyone's really busy. This is a great opportunity to just walk into a booth and have some conversations with some of those partners that we've had for a very long time. The other thing is it allows us to connect with our aftermarket customers, especially in key industries like oil and gas and petrochemical. It allows us to get in front of them and for them to come to us with any questions, and we can support them however we need to.
So TPS is going to look a little different this year. Can you tell me what you're planning to showcase at the virtual event?
Yeah, we are actually going to be showcasing a couple of different products from InproSeal this year. First, we have the bearing isolator, and that is what we're most well known for. InproSeal invented the original bearing isolator over 40 years ago, and we've been at the forefront of providing equipment with permanent bearing protection ever since. Now, bearing failure has plagued equipment across multiple industries for a long time, and there's a multitude of reasons on why bearings fail. But a majority of it is due to contaminants getting into the lubrication and contaminating the lubrication, or lubrication escaping from the bearing house and into atmosphere. So the InproSeal bearing isolator is a non-contacting bearing seal that permanently protects against contamination and lubrication loss. So right away, it takes away those two major reasons why your bearings are going to fail. And what makes the InproSeal bearing isolator so unique is its non-contacting design. Because it's not using a contact between the shaft and the seal to create the seal or to seal the bearing housing, it actually uses the interface between the rotor and stator to do that. So there's no wearing parts. What that means is with no wearing parts, there's nothing that's going to wear out on a bearing isolator. And therefore, it's going to last the lifetime of your equipment. It requires zero maintenance. So it truly is, you set it and forget it, and know that your equipment is going to be permanently protected. The other great thing about the InproSeal bearing isolator is it's not just a part that comes in a box. You know, it's not just a part number. All InproSeal bearing isolators are custom engineered to fit the exact specifications of the equipment and the operating environment. We use over 40 years of experience And we have over 90,000 unique part numbers to make sure that our customers get the right solution for them. Outside of that, we also offer same-day shipments on almost all of our bearing isolators, even new designs. So with the InproSeal bearing isolator, I mean, you're getting the proven technology, the right technology, right when you need it. Another product that we are showcasing at TPS this year is the Sentinel floating brush seal, and this is for process steam turbines. So the Sentinel FBS is a drop-in replacement for carbon rings, and what it does is it minimizes steam leakage. It actually uses technology that was developed in the aerospace industry to control steam leakage and control steam from escaping down the shaft and possibly getting into the bearings and escaping into atmosphere. And what that does is by controlling that steam leakage, it increases your steam turbine uptime. So it keeps that equipment running, and it keeps it running efficiently. Because as steam leaks, your turbine becomes more inefficient. You've got to create more steam for that turbine to run at the same speeds. And by keeping steam within the steam turbine, it's going to run a heck of a lot more efficiently.
So what is the best way for people to connect with you and InproSeal?
So the best way to connect with us, well, if you're at the show, please feel free and stop by the booth. I know you won't physically be stopping by the booth, but just click on our booth. We'll actually have a couple of experts there manning the booth for you to speak to. We have Michael Mummert, who is our key account manager for pumps. So he knows everything there is to know about pumps and can answer all your questions there. And then we also have Ryan Martin, who is an expert in the oil and gas and petrochem industry, who's located in Houston. And he's got years of experience and can answer any questions that you have. Outside of the show, please feel free to go to our website, and in the contact tab, there is our contact your representative form. All you do is just got to fill that out, and it'll give you information on who your local InproSeal representative is. And then you can contact them, or we will have your information, and we'll contact you directly as well.
What is the resource that people can find out more about the bearing isolator?
So the resource, you just go to the website. If you go to www.inpro-seal.com, you can learn more about the InproSeal bearing isolator. You can learn about the different applications that the InproSeal bearing isolator goes on. So if you've got specific issues with pumps, gearboxes, pillow blocks, motors, fans, things of that nature, we have pages developed specifically for those. And also you can watch a video. We've got case studies. So there's plenty of information out there to help you understand that technology. Or the simplest way, just get a hold of us, and we can talk about it for days.
Awesome. Well, Jason, thank you so much for taking time to talk with me, and everybody needs to make sure that they go check out InproSeal at TPS.
Sounds great. Thank you very much, Becca.